Have you ever promised yourself that this time it's going to be different? You will be 100% focused and you will not let any distractions get in your way. Next thing you know, it's 2 hours and you have only checked your mail and scrolled through Facebook and Instagram and read a couple of articles. However, what you haven't done is studying, and since you got distracted, now you feel guilty, which leads to feeling powerless. And the negative circle of distraction continues. And if this has ever happened to you and you find it difficult to concentrate on your work or studies, then this video is for you. So here are 5 tips on how to avoid distractions and stay focused. The first one is to use apps. There are many productivity and time management apps that you can use to help you stay off your phone. The couple of them are Forest, Stay Focused, and Rescue Time. The second one is to use 2 accounts on your computer or laptop. One of them is only for your studies or work. The other one can be used during your free time. In this way, you can separate your focus time from your free time and avoid multitasking or just quickly check something for 2 minutes. The third one is to clear your space. Only have the most necessary things on your desk and remove the rest so you don't have it near you or inside. The fourth one is to put your thoughts on paper. The reason for this is that when you start thinking about something and you need to remember it for later or get a new idea, you don't have to forget it about it. So by having a blank paper on your side, you can transfer the thoughts from brain onto the paper simply by writing it down. You can then continue without having any thoughts disturbing you. The fifth one and the last one is to listen music. So there is one playlist on Spotify which is called as Deep Focus. So by listening this playlist, you can concentrate on your studies. This applies only for few of them. Why? Because some music gets distracted for few of them.